All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you guys for joining me. Hopefully, you guys are doing good. Make sure that you guys are taking care of yourself, eating healthy in the Christmas time. Not too many cakes, not too many drinking, as you know, but ensure that you guys are having a lot of family time. So, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes to everyone is watching. Guys, please remember to smash the like button, hit that subscribe button as well. I would appreciate it if you do so. It's called HBO Special. Help a brother out special. I'm on the road to 10K. I'm not sure if I can make it to the end of this year, but I'm going for it. So, guys, I'm going to speak about two players in specific today. Those two players are Michail Antonio and Neco at Birmingham. And Neco. So, according to reports right now, Neco is on a move. Pretty much a surprising one for me because honestly, I thought that I know I'm gonna show you guys and let you guys be the judge of it. What you guys tell me what you guys think about it. I would love to get your you guys insight on it. Let me see. Let me see. All right, so there's some work going on in the background. I do apologize for that. That's out of my control. All right, so according to reports, Jamaican striker and former Birmingham Legion striker is on a move to USL Championship team, New Mexico United. I am quite surprised. The information that was given is that the move is actually a 2-year deal. He finished this season with 18 goals in 32 appearances. He was ranked 5th in the overall USL Championship top goal scoring table. I'm hoping that this move is one that proves beneficial, not monetarily, but also for his career. I'm not sure what New Mexico has to offer him, but definitely it's a surprising one for me. I would say it's really a surprising one because I would thought that he would move away from USA because he's a talented guy, really, really talented guy. And USL Championship, I really think it's holding him back. And so 2-year deal, he's now 29 years old. That 2-year deal, I think, will take him to 31 years old. And it's going to be tougher at that part of time. So, but this is the reports that are coming out right now. Let's see how well this one goes. So, as you can see, more details still pending. We'll see how that one goes. So, strange one for me. Let's see what that does. Birmingham Legion actually finished the season, I think, in like fifth position overall with 60 points, and New Mexico finished the season about 12 or something of that sort, maybe in the region of they only complete like 46 points. But that's how that is. So what I'm going to do now, I'm moving away from Neco to the next player that I want to go to, which is Michail Antonio. So Michail Antonio is back off the COVID. We all know that he ruled out ill for the Spurs, the West Ham versus Spurs Carabao Cup game, but he's back. Since he came back, the first game that he played, he scored a goal against the Saints, Southampton, in which they still lost that game. And now playing today, they scored against assist against Watford in a dominant performance from us and from West Ham in a 4-1 win over Watford. But so far, after his goal drought, he's coming back really, really well with 2-goal contribution in 2 games, and that's quite good. Yeah, you have to give commendations to that. That is really, really good in art aspect. So he's back. Michail Antonio is back. Neco and I moved to Birmingham to New Mexico United. Hopefully, that is the reports that are coming out right at this moment. So we'll see how that one materializes. But people, as you know, I won't stay any longer because there's a lot of noise in the background and I can't go any further with that. I have more information, but I'll do another video. So until next time, people, please remember to smash the like button, hit that subscribe button, people. I would really, really appreciate it if you do. On the road to 10K, I'm not sure how I'm going to get there before the 1st of January, but I'm aiming for it. Massive respect, people. Please enjoy the rest of your evening and the rest of your holidays, people. I'm not doing a lot of video because I'm really, really spending some time with the family, and hopefully you guys are doing the same as well. So see you guys again. Military Guna TV, people, and I am out.